Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix Venmo payment declined 2026. Here are the common reasons and fixes. Common reasons. Insufficient funds. Your account does not have enough balance to complete the payment. Incorrect payment details. Wrong recipient username, phone number, or email can cause a decline. Unverified account. Not completing identity verification may lead to restrictions. Card or bank issues. Expired, inactive, or unlinked cards, banks can result in declined payments. Internet or app issues. Weak connection or app glitches may interrupt the payment. Transaction limits exceeded. Daily or weekly limits may have been reached. Security restrictions. Suspicious activity or fraud alerts may block the payment. Fix. Check your available balance. Verify payment details again. Complete your account verification. Update or reconnect your card, bank details. Ensure a stable internet connection. Update or restart the app. Review transaction limits. Try again after some time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.